Alright, hello everybody. Today I'm gonna teach you how to make FNF covers. Alright, now I go on Discord. Oh, let's just. And then I go to Noah wants. Noah wants. Hold on. Excuse me. And then I went to Noah wants die Discord, and then I went to voice banks or chromatics, and then I see plus socks sent it a link to a Google Drive. I'll send this in the description. My family's been devastated by COVID-19. Alright, so pay attention. So I went to the Google Drive, and then you'll see DWPs and BFDWPs, and then click DWPs or BFDWPs. Alright, like double click it, and then you'll see FNF voices. Alright, so let's just say that let me look for a voice. Let's say that I want to download Shaggy's voice, and then click the download button, and then wait for it to load, and then you'll see this. Don't click open in FL Studio Mobile. Click more. Okay, press save the files, and then now press my instruments and click save, and then see if you have. Alright, so this is what I do. I click the plus button and click the rec wave and click my files, and then I see the voice that I downloaded. Well, we'll do that later. Alright? Alright. Now you now you download a MIDI. Okay, so let's just say that I want to download a Thunderstorm MIDI. Alright, now just click any video if it works. Now click the description, and then you'll see the link. And open in Chrome. Alright, now you see the MIDI song, and you see download, but I'm not gonna download it because I already have that. You'll understand when you do this. You try to do this, yeah. Alright, so go to FL Studio Mobile, and then now you have, and then click the upper icon like right here, and then press import, and then now you see the song that you've downloaded, and then click it, and then ignore the question, click continue. Alright, now you have it now. Now listen to it. Okay, that's alright. That's good. Now let me just, and then now you gotta press the plus button and click the rec wave and click my files and click any voice that you downloaded. Well, I'm going to choose Imagine Sonic, and now see if the voice of it is real. I mean, if it's here. Alright, enough of that. I'm just. Alright, now you got to click the 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 MIDI voice box and press copy. Again, now go back to the area where the voice was previously put it, and now hold anywhere on that, but not anywhere, only in here. And now click paste. Okay, now you got the now you got the FNF voice in like a cover. And now click, and then now delete the MIDI voice. Okay, and that's it. Alright, that's good. If you want to do with the second original MIDI voice, do the same thing. Click plus, click the rack wave, click my files, and then I choose any voice that I downloaded. Now let me just see what voice I could
experience what working on a football team and know what it's like.
I will choose imposter.
Moving up from after
yeah.
Their playing years, move up through management.
Anyways, never mind. Alright, now just click the second MIDI voice, click copy, and then hold anywhere and go back to the voice. Go back to the voice and then hold anywhere in here and then click paste. And okay, now delete the second MIDI voice, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this tutorial helps you. Anyways, goodbye.